Hello, today I want to show you two simple items from Aliexpress which I bought a few weeks ago. This is retraction retraction string, in fact, like that, and also quite smart key holder. And it costs me maybe $3. I mean, this item and this item both cost me maybe $3 because shipping was free, and I want to show you how it works. In case of this retraction string, how it works, you can see how it works. In fact, it works quite well. I'm surprised that spring in this mechanism is quite strong. Yeah, but maybe it is not so well, not so bad. I mean, yeah. Okay, I have a few keys here, for example, and I must say I don't try this key holder yet, so please forgive me one moment. I must take this key and I can show you how it works. Okay, this is the key. In my country, this is key as every key, as usual. Very popular model of keys, something like that. One moment. Yeah, okay, we have three keys. In pack with these two items was a couple of O-rings, but I lost it. I don't know where and when, but it is fact. Yeah. Okay, we must unscrew the second screw and we will see how it works, because here is brass spacer for this key mounting. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. I think 3, maybe one more. But I haven't one more key right now, so we must go with 3 keys only. Okay, what that is, I don't know, but I think we will see in a few moments. Okay, as you can see, spacer is here in this hole. So we start spinning the screw. It's not so simple. It's not as simple as I thought. So please be patient. Oh my god. Maybe right now. Yeah, okay. yeah, it catched also with also catched with from this side. Okay, I think it will work better with few more keys, maybe 2 or 3 keys, or with this O-ring which I have lost. Okay, and here we have for $3 quite nice solution for your keys. You can maybe this way. You can add this retraction string to key holder. Yeah. One moment. I know it is possible, but please. Okay. Yeah, I think you know what I mean. You can put this O-ring, this key ring here to this hole. Yeah, and you have this binder or this clip you can catch in your maybe in your office bag, and it is quite simple solution for your keys, for example for office. Thank you.